Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change your GOG Galaxy password for the application. Go ahead, get yourself logged into the app. In the upper left hand corner, click on your avatar and make your way to account management. From there, go to login and security, where you should see the password option there. Simply click on change, and this should appear a prompt that states reset instructions are going to be sent to whatever email you have designated for your account. So from there, make your way to your email. You'll receive a password link that looks like this. Open up the email, click here to reset your password, and you're going to be redirected to the GOG website. From there, it'll prompt you to enter your new password. Once you're comfortable and have a good idea of what your new password will be, all you have to do is click on Save New Password, and it'll prompt. A prompt will appear that reads, "Your password has been successfully changed." But it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.